everyone, it's Alisha and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve a classic red lip and winged eyeliner look. So let's get started. First things first, let's prep the skin. I am using the Cetaphil moisturizer and mixing it with the e.l.f. Halo Glow to add an inner glow. Just look at that shine. I am absolutely loving it. After moisturizing, I am using the Forever 52 Pore Primer. It's a high performance primer that leaves my skin feeling soft, smooth and shielded. I have already shown you how I do my base in previous videos, so for now, we are moving straight to the blush. I am using the Swiss Beauty blush, which is so creamy and smooth. Remember, always apply cream products first and then powder products on the top. Now let's dive into the eyes. I am using the K-Beauty eyeshadow palette in Wild and Free. I am starting off with the shade Butter and placing it all over the lid and in the crease. After that, I am using the shade Caramel and placing it only in the crease to add some depth. I am using the shade Butter again and placing it across the lid. This highlights the center of the eyelid, making the eyes look bigger, brighter and larger. It was very difficult for me to do the eyeliner on camera, but here are some of the clips of me trying. I will soon make a tutorial on how to easily do eyeliner, so stay tuned for that. Next, I am dusting off the excess fallout using a fluffy brush. To give some warmth to the face, I am using the Makeup Revolution palette. Warmth adds dimension to your face, and without it, your makeup can sometimes look flat or one-dimensional. For blush, I am using these two shades and applying it to the apples of my cheeks and blending it out towards the temples. I am using the PAC highlighter and applying it only on the highest points of my face. Next, I am curling my lashes with an eyelash curler and using a silver pressed glitter from Mars Cosmetics and applying it only on the inner corner and the middle of my eyelids. I have applied false eyelashes and mascara off camera, finishing off in style with the red lips. I am using the PAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Coffee. This helps define the shape of the lips and prevents the lipstick from feathering or bleeding outside the lip lines. For lipstick, I am using Love Earth in the shade Spicy Sangria. These lipsticks are highly pigmented, transfer proof and provides a perfect matte finish. Topping it off with the Maybelline lipstick in the shade 20. The lipstick lasts all day long and the applicator makes it really easy to get a precise application. And here we have it. This is my signature classic red lip and winged eyeliner look. Perfectly polished and ready for any occasion. Don't forget to tag me if you try it out. Remember, life is short, so make every moment count. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and keep slaying those looks.